So one of our favorite procedures to do here at the office is implants, okay? I think that implants are a fantastic service for the patient, especially today that implants are extremely predictable, okay? And it's not the implants and the trouble that we had 20 years ago. The implants today, all right, people are surprised after surgery. I have no pain. I can't believe it. You know, our surgeries generally have such a small footprint that it's easier than when the tooth was removed. That implant procedure, the beauty of it is that we don't have to damage teeth on either side to do, right? If I told you, well, I've got to cut 2 virgin teeth, right, that have nothing to do with this empty hole that you have, all right, just to fill the spot, that doesn't make sense anymore, right? We hold ourselves to a higher standard in this practice. We show and educate the patients, hey, this is possible. We can do this here. We can place this implant for you quickly, all right, efficiently, all right, and without discomfort. And it's amazing how fast and how quick people heal from this, right? It's a service that, honestly, if other dental practices are not providing it, they're just not up to par.